Starting an online business can feel overwhelming. Where do you host it? How do you handle payments, shipping, and security? That's exactly what Shopify was built to solve. And right now, you can try it with no risk. 3 days, completely free, followed by just $1 per month for 3 months. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to begin. On the page, type in your email and hit Start Free Trial. No credit card required. You'll answer a couple of optional questions, or skip them, and you'll be taken straight into your dashboard. Once inside, the first decision is choosing the right plan. If you're a solo seller, the basic plan gives you everything you need: unlimited products, 10 inventory locations, discount codes, abandoned cart recovery, and app access. If you're building a small team, the Grow plan adds 5 staff accounts, professional reports, and lower transaction fees. For scaling businesses, the Advanced plan includes 15 staff accounts, advanced analytics, real-time shipping rates, and premium support. And for enterprises, the Plus plan unlocks unlimited staff, 200 inventory locations, wholesale features, and 24/7 priority help. 2 additional plans serve specific needs. Starter is built for social selling, with 2 inventory locations and support for in-person sales through phone or POS. Retail is made for physical retail stores, offering 10 inventory locations and 1 POS Pro location. All Shopify plans are flexible. You can cancel or switch at any time, with no long-term contracts. Now let's walk through setup. The first step is design. From your dashboard, go to Online Store, then Themes, and visit the theme store. Choose from free or premium designs, preview how they'll look, and publish. No coding required. Next, add your products. Upload high-quality photos. Add descriptive titles. Write compelling copy. Set your prices, and manage inventory. After that, it's time to customize. With Shopify's drag-and-drop editor, you can fine-tune layouts, pick fonts and colors, and upload your brand logo. The next step is adding functionality. From the App Store, you can install features like customer reviews, email marketing, and upsell tools. But the best practice is to only install what you need. Keep it streamlined. Finally, go into Settings and configure payments, shipping zones, taxes, and checkout preferences. Once those are in place, your store is ready to launch. Every plan includes unlimited products, mobile-ready design, free hosting, and SSL encryption with no setup fees. And during your free trial, nothing goes live until you choose a plan, so you can test and explore without pressure. If you've been waiting for the right moment to start, this is it. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code to begin. 3 days free, then $1 a month for 3 months. Shopify makes it possible.